people doing this because there's not a lot of people here. No, my back! No, I stained my back. So this is a Filipino spaghetti. It's really, really delicious. Where is this at journaling?
Cocina.
Cocina and Rickerton. So yum.
I think this is him. Wait a little too loud or something.
Oh, gone. Ate it within, is it 3 minutes? 5 minutes. Yum.
Subtitle it. That's what I said to you like so many times. That would have been funny.
You see this?
I was coming.
Sorry. Okay, so this is the restaurant. It's like a mini restaurant. I can see you. It's like a mini restaurant in Rickerton Road. And I'm just waiting for my hello. Okay, so this is hello. It's different to the other one I had, but I mean, I'm hoping that it is as good as it looks. So you're supposed to mix it, but normally I don't, but it's hello, so you have to mix it. So yeah. If that falls off, I'll cry.
Thanks, Joe.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry if the lighting's shit. But this is what it's supposed to look like. Can you see it? The lighting did it home. Nice. Doesn't look as nice. But it actually really tastes nice, I promise. Hi guys. Okay, so it is Tuesday. It's Halloween. I don't know if it's obvious, but I have got my Halloween makeup on, and I went for a fairy type of look because I was going to do a spider one, which I was thinking of doing for a while. However, I found out that one of my co-workers doing, so I was like, no, I'm gonna do something else. So this is what I came up with. So I'm heading to work right now, and as you can see, this is my makeup for today. And yeah, all right, I'm gonna speak to you soon because I'm just about to get to work. So happy Halloween. Hi guys, it is now Tuesday night. It doesn't look that dark because it's daylight savings. I still get confused. Is daylight savings when you go backward or when you go forward? Anyways, that's not the point. It is Halloween, as you can see. I was trying to be a fairy this morning, but I had my whole flower crown and everything. However, people at work did not do Halloween-y types of outfits, or at least face costumes, and I don't want to be the only person that actually literally went all out with my Halloween-y feel vibes or whatever. So I decided I just stuck with this. I had one more, but I actually took it off. But yeah, I just went for that. You can't really see it. I feel like it was so much better this morning. If you've seen the first part of this vlog, you would have seen what it looks like in the morning. And I'm actually a little bit sad because obviously Halloween is not a big deal here in New Zealand, not the same way that America do it. Like, it's a big deal when they do it, and I love it. One day I might, when I go to America, I actually want to experience Halloween there. Maybe not the scary part, I just want to actually experience how Halloween is like in America, you know? Like, I remember back in the day when I was younger, we could like dress up for Halloween and we would knock on people's door and we would get candy, and it was a little bit more of a big deal. Nowadays, like, you don't even know who celebrates Halloween anymore. You don't know who's gonna give you cookies, lollies, or they're just gonna tell you to piss off. So it's a bit sad. But yeah, Talia's at a Halloween party for the kids tonight. I think it's called Light something, which is really good because it means she got to dress up as a vampire tonight, and she was really happy with that. And my sister took her, so I'm gonna go meet her. I'm supposed to meet her a few minutes ago, but I was really hungry, so I had a little bit of nibble when I got home. And yeah, it has been, so many things has been happening this month. It's sort of a little crazy. I wish I could share with you guys every details of what's going on. However, it's very personal, and I feel like it's just, I just don't feel like sharing it here, just because everyone, I don't want people to know that part of my life. I want them to see what I want them to see, you know? Anything else that isn't, like anything else that's too personal, I'll probably just keep it to myself and deal with it privately. So yeah, all right, so I better get going, so I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye. Okay, hey guys. Okay, so it's mask time, so I decided to put on the Manuka Doctor face peel off mask, I think what it is. And I actually wanted to try it for a while now because I think I've tried a few other peel off masks, but this is the first time I'm trying the Manuka Doctor. I've got a few other products from them, but I've never tried the Manuka Doctor peel off mask. And as you can see, it's literally like fully dry, and I literally can't move my mouth. I'm very restrictive right now, and I'm looking forward to peeling these off because around this area here I have really bad blackheads at the moment, and I'm dying to pull them off. Sounds disgusting, but I just want to take them off. I'll see if I can come closer. So look at that. And I'm really scared because, well, it's a peel off mask. So let's start. Oh my god. Oh. Actually, cedar wasn't going to be as painful as the black ones. I've tried the black ones and they're alright.
Feels not too bad. Okay, that's done. Oh, that was a little bit nasty. Am I putting my hair? Am I putting the mask on anymore? Let's get this side. Ah! Okay, that wasn't so bad. Normally it's very painful around here because it's where I have baby hairs. Let's try to see if we can remove these. Oh my god, I got it in my hair. Oh, that's not too bad. After that, oh my god. Come on. Okay. Not too bad. Ow.
Ah, let's have a look. Oh my god, am I going blind? I can't see. I don't know. Let's have a closer look, hey? Right, so that is the facial mask. No, I'm just gonna go I'm just gonna remove the rest of this mask and put on some hydrating moisturizer. That way my skin feels nice and soft and hydrated after a mask. So yeah, I think I might use my Energy V overnight mask just because I feel like I need something a little bit hydrating, but I don't want to put too much on. I think I might just put it on the outside because I do get quite oily around the T-zone and I can't handle being too oily, so I might just put it on the outside, just keep it hydrated. But yeah, it feels so good. I do facial mask once or twice a week. Majority of the time when I'm really busy, I only do them once a week, so it feels really nice to do them. So I quite like it, but I don't know if I love it, because I might have a closer look in the mirror, and I'll let you know by tomorrow to see if I like them. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to prep my skin and get to bed. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Mwah.
Don't know where they are. Oh, they're there.
Oh, and rubbish. Thank you. Marie. Hi guys, it is Wednesday night and I just got back from the L'Oreal Luxe training, which we do every year, and then we do it twice a year, I think. So yeah, and this time it was to do with the Christmas sets that's coming up, the limited editions, Lancome, Armani, YSL, all of the beautiful fragrances. And we were lucky enough, well, when you turn up to the training, we get given really nice gift from L'Oreal. So yes, so the one I got given is the new fragrance by Yves Saint Laurent. It's the Y fragrance, which is for millennial guys who love who are like free spirit guys. So yeah, we got the Y fragrance, which is the new Yves Saint Laurent fragrance, and it's a beautiful fragrance. Hayden's gonna love that, so I'm not gonna give it as a gift. I'm just gonna give it to him because, I mean, what's the point? I'm not gonna give it to him on Christmas because it's ages away. Don't be silly. And then we did a quiz as well, and I won one of the quiz. So I really needed to make sure, this is my goal, is to win at least one of the questionnaire so that I don't go home empty-handed. And we got given a Redken heat restyling technology, which is great because I actually ran out of mine and I really need it badly for my hair because my hair is bleached and it's very damaged, so I need to sort of use the right product for it. And last but not the least, we did a team activity, which is a wreath, which is this one. Isn't it pretty? So yeah, I went for black, pink, and that color. But yeah, that's basically all we did today, and that's it, I think. So I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, this is just gonna show you exactly what the wreath looked like, and just a close-up of it. It took a little bit longer to do, but I'm quite happy with it. I went for a blush type of pink sort of theme, and I really like it. Now I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to put it outside because obviously... Hi guys, it is Thursday morning and I'm just heading to work right now. It's such a lovely weather out there. It's insane. It's like a beach weather. So good that I work inside because my uniform is like black and it's not ideal for this weather. It's one of my co-workers leaving and tomorrow's her last day, and literally she sent a message yesterday and I literally bawled my eyes out, so I hate her. But anyway, I'm heading to work now, so I'll speak to you guys shortly. My camera is here, why not? Okay, front? Yeah. Is it coming out? Is it free? Yeah. I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah! Oh, oh my god, that is adorable. I love photos. What is that? So my glasses is like in an angle the whole time.
What do you want, house?
House pizza would be good. Sweating. Oh my god.
I can eat this.
I'm like sweating so bad. I was hoping for someone to actually run into the court. Hi guys, it is now Saturday. My camera is flashing, so I'm gonna make this real quick. And we just got back from watching the Kiwis versus Scotland, and of course the Kiwis kicked ass, so that was really great. And oh my god, it was boiling hot earlier. I was literally like sweating everywhere. It's disgusting. But now it has cooled down and the wind has come through, so now it's a lot cooler. Alright, so I'm just waiting for Hayden in the car, and then I think we might get pizza for dinner, and then we're gonna watch the fireworks tonight, so I'm excited. So I'll take you guys there. Yeah. Hi. Hello. I'm right here. Hello. Hi, gorgeous. Alright. See you later. Bye. Okay, this is so lame. That looks like a miniature. Oh, I'm shaking. It's cold. If I'm shaking so much, I'm gonna fall off this fence. Oh my god, hold on. Stay still. I wish we just went and drove there.
This is awesome up here, man.
Yeah, no. Lame. I think I can see. Okay. Oh, that. Look how far it is. And look how zoomed in I am.
That's what we got here.
Is it it?
It's just a kind of sparkly man.
Ooh, they've got a nice house. Like the table.
It looks like he's in his bed.
Nice kitchen. No one's in the bed.
Can you see it real good?
I don't think this is safe.
They're only the big ones after. Not you, man. Hey.
Imagine if this fence actually broke. I'm gonna go straight onto that concrete.
That's sharp it is. Nah.
Nah. But their insides looks nice. Chiz, you need some curtains. Look, I can see through their windows.
Whose windows?
Their windows.
Can you see?
I'm good. I'm freezing. Stay still. I'm freezing. Oh, someone right there. Can you see? Can you see? What the hell did I climb the freaking fence for? No, next year. Oh, so this is World Cup, the one that we went to. Oh, this is awkward. Wait, Chiz, I can't see you.
You're not seeing me.
Wait, hold on.
I'll roll up my sleeves so you can see my white arms.
Do you have your phone? Put your flashlight on. Yeah, I can see you. Yeah, no, I'm not brave enough to climb. That thing's grey. Oh, there's not a lot. Did you say thank you? You could have tried for like dum with the top or
On the
something.
jersey.
Hi guys, it is Sunday afternoon and I just got home. Excuse the mess at the back, that's my grocery shopping. Hayden and I just went groceries and I head straight home because I need to put the washing on and put it out. That way it is dry for tomorrow because it is the uniform and as I need to wash Tully's uniform so it can be dry by tomorrow. Anyways, I have a new friend, you guys. I'll insert a video of it, of how we got it, but his name is Lil Hade. He's a grumpy wee one, and this is him. I mean, he's a Superman, but he's pretty grumpy, and I like him. I really like him, and we play a lot of that game. I'll insert the video on one. I'll insert the video here, and you'll be able to see how we got him. But he's very, very adorable and I like him a lot. So his name is Lil Hade and he's really grumpy. So yeah, that's basically it. And I need to get changed. It's such a hot weather today. Super, super hot and super, super sunny. I don't know if you can see how bright it is outside. But yeah, it's a really nice weather. It's a beach weather. If the wind wasn't there, if it wasn't windy, it would be perfect for the beach. However, the wind is a little cold, but if you stay under the sun long enough, you'll be warm or you'll be fine. So yeah, anyways, I've got to put the washing on and then put my groceries away. And then I have to get ready. I need to head back to Avonhead and meet up with Hade at his mum's house, and then we'll be waiting for Tali to get dropped off there, and then we're going to a family dinner for Hayden's family. And I swear every time I go to their family dinner it's like a fiesta. So basically a fiesta back home for me is like get together of a lot of people and lots of food, which is my favorite subject at lunchtime, is food time. So anyways, yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. I don't know if I'll take you tonight because it is a family dinner, and out of privacy reason I don't want to be just, you know, vlogging there. Speak to you guys tomorrow. I might end the vlog here, and I think that's basically it. Yeah. Oh, and it's my sister left yesterday for Malaysia. I think she went to Auckland and then flying to Singapore. She should be in the plane right now on the way to Singapore, or maybe she's in Singapore now. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's gonna be weird. She won't be back until the end of the month, and it's gonna be weird not seeing her because we actually do live together, and it'll be something to get used to. Talia and I will be very, very lonely. So anyways, I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Have a good weekend. Mwah.